Hi everyone, welcome to my instructional strategy video. Today I will be talking about the problem-based learning strategy. Now this is a strategy which is based on education theories of John Dewey and Lev Vygotsky. Now decades of work has been done with the problem-based learning strategy. Its usefulness has found its way into many different environments, the educational environment, but also corporate environment as well. Now, essentially, this is a student-centered instructional strategy where students work in groups collaboratively to solve problems. Learning for the students is driven by addressing challenging problems, open-ended problems, and very often ill-structured problems. This is an example of problem-based learning. There's different roles that are played throughout the group. One very important role is a facilitator who ensures that all of the students and participants' expertise and life experience is brought to the table, their thoughts, their opinions. We have a secretary or someone who records all of the thoughts and opinions and generated ideas from the group. It's very important for the recorder to seek clarification if they need clarification. It's very, very important for the rest of the group as a whole, to respect each other around the table as well as the process of group learning. As an instructor, it's very, very important to me not to guide or direct the students' thoughts and ideas being generated. I may act as the facilitator as long as I do not participate in the discussion. The other alternative to that is that I may oversee the group and ensure that the facilitator is able to bring out everybody's thoughts and ideas and expertise to the problem. It's extremely beneficial to have a very diverse group of people, men and women, different age groups, different ethnic backgrounds, in order to have a very broad perspective of the problem and the solution. The problem-based learning instructional strategy is an active process of using prior knowledge and experience, making connections between old and new concepts, and engaging people together in critical thinking, creative thinking, together working towards theory construction. When there is a problem with many variables and a great deal of information to assimilate, you need a team of individuals who will work together and engage in the problem-solving work. This is a very effective strategy where you have natural teams, such as in medical schools or in hospitals for medical diagnosis, case management work in the human services field, as well as corporate strategic planning. So, here are the steps in conducting the problem-based learning strategy. The problem-based learning instructional strategy is an effective means of engaging students, employees, and colleagues alike. I have discussed some of the benefits of problem-based learning, but there are also some limitations. One limitation is, which actually is supported by a series of studies, is in the instruction of math, specifically algebra. Learners found it very difficult to process a large amount of information without the fundamental knowledge taught with individual practice problems. Another limitation may be that students have to be willing to work within a group, and for traditional learners, this might be quite frustrating at the start. Another limitation could quite possibly be time. It takes time for this process to occur, for students to engage fully, to research, to come back to the table, and instructors must be prepared to invest this time. Well, this is the end of the video, and I hope you found the information interesting and positive about making the problem-based learning strategy a part of your repertoire.